Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening our contact list. Find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. And then scroll down to find block numbers. Let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully reset the number. We can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. If you cannot find the option block numbers here, no worries, just tap on this gear icon in the right upper corner and the pop-out window should appear. Alright, so now the second way, let's open the settings. So you can be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general, just tap on blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. We can add a number manually here, like that. Just tap on add a number and enter it, tap on block, and it will be immediately applied. You can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher at the top. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.